This is the Infinix Zero Ultra, and today we would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So the first feature that we wanted to show you guys is how you can lock your screen with your own fingerprint. So in order to set this feature up, you gotta launch settings, then enter the security category over here, go for the fingerprint section, set the backup screen lock method. The list of available options you can choose from is pattern, pin, or password. I'll go with pattern. Then redraw it and therefore confirm. After that, choose what notification content will be shown. And now we can start adding the fingerprint. So the scanner is located at the lower part of a display over here. So in order to enroll your fingerprint, just lay and lift it onto the scanner. Make sure to slightly rotate the angle of your finger so the entire surface of it will be successfully and correctly scanned. You can also use this visual clues in order to roughly understand which part of a fingerprint is needs to be applied onto the sensor. Finally, I need to just finish the process by enrolling the edges of my fingerprint. As you can see, the process is tedious. It's not very hard, but still takes quite a lot of time since the scanner is not always able to register the fingerprint or the finger itself. But you'll get there eventually. I can guarantee you that. Alrighty, so I have finally been able to enroll my fingerprint. Now I can test out the feature, see how fast and reliable it is. Well, it is relatively fast. I would even say it's swift. Works just fine. Is able to identify my fingerprint correctly. Does not is not able to use any other fingerprints, so works just fine. The next feature for this video is located at the display category of settings, so let me quickly enter it. So display and brightness. It is called the screen refresh rate. This option allows you to switch between two values, 60 and 120 Hz. So basically 60 Hz will get you longer battery life, 120 Hz value will provide you with smoother, crispier and silkier visuals. You can also set this value to be auto switch refresh rate automatic mode, which will, as you could already guess, automatically switch between those two values. Next on the agenda we have the always on display feature that you can access through entering the personalization category. In order to set it up, you gotta tap on it, turn this switch on, choose what design it will have. Let's say I'll go with this one. You can change the pointer, text color, what information will be shown over there. So there are quite a few categories of default AOD designs, such as digital clock, Galaxy. You know what? I'll actually go with Galaxy, probably digital photo frame, or innovative AOD. So choose whatever design you like the most. I'll go with the Milky Way, probably, that is. In here you can also change the text color and choose what data or information will be shown. Now once I turn my screen off, as you can see, that's how the AOD looks. Very cool feature to have. The next option for this video is a very small one. I would even say a tiny one. So as you can see right now, in order for me to check the exact battery percentage I have left, I gotta enter the battery category of settings. But if you would like to see it at all times and have the battery percentage visible at the status bar, either inside or right next to the battery icon itself, just open settings, enter the where is it? The power marathon category. In here, go for the battery setting and turn on the battery percentage toggle. And fifth and final option for this video is located at the special function category. It is called Command Fusion, and it allows you to virtually allocate a bit more RAM by occupying the respective amounts of internal storage. So once you turn it on, choose for how many gigabytes you want to extend your RAM. So 2, 3 or 5. I'll go with the maximum available option of 5, and then just restart the device. And once the phone gets rebooted, we'll be able to see that the changes we have just made have successfully taken effect. So let's wait, I guess. So let me quickly enter the SIM pin, and if I'll go to the About Phone category of settings, I'll be able to clearly see that in addition to the default hardware 8 gigabytes of RAM, I've successfully added another 5 gigabytes of virtual random access memory. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.